Here it is, DIY, day 15. I told Eddie, hey, you want to give me a hand with this one? So I went off. We spent all morning with Timmy.
Yeah,
we started the new series, the Insanity series.
Yeah.
So I was going to get some people and come help you, and well, it's too late.
I do lots of things by myself.
You did it by yourself. So it's pretty, I mean to go forward a little bit more.
Yeah, well, it's pretty simple. It works simpler.
Oh. The old guys. Oh, yeah. Here, I thought you were a stud. You're just a brainiac is all.
Yep.
So,
work by yourself.
yeah, there you go. Now, common sense. That would be kind of common sense. Oh, like I got the bolt in there and the whole
Yeah,
thing?
just take a bolt through there and yank your forward.
So we're gonna do both. We can get a shorter water pump, and actually they make a shorter one that we
Yeah,
can
just
get
fit
this
there.
much room. So we may take this motor forward about an inch, and there he is. This guy, he's everywhere. Who's this? Comment in the comments. You know who this is?
Oh.
So we're gonna trim this out a little bit. This is a mean green machine right here.
Yeah, the mean green machine.
Mean green machine. So we're gonna have to cut this out a little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more. And I'm planning on putting that firewall mostly back in there, but just having this set back. And then that way, I think he gets air conditioned, don't he?
Oh, I thought about that in the first place. I drew a line on that and then changed my mind.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I'll set that back in there and just bring it down to here. You know, have the motor back in there and still have plenty of room.
All right.
And then because you just got so much cowl to put an air conditioner in there, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. That's my plan anyway.
Okay, so you got a plan. So you're gonna give me lined up, and I'll cut it out while you're almost going home. I'm starting my DIY day at the end of the day.
Oh, okay.
I've been doing everything else.
Right.
Well, good. That's what we got on this one. The mean green machine is gonna have the firewall fitted, at least roughed in today. I'm excited.
Or two.
I bet Alan's excited too.
Yeah.
Okay, we changed our mind again.
Yeah.
We gotta move the motor back just to get the fan in.
Yeah.
So that doesn't
Get
give
it
us
on this side.
Yeah, that doesn't give us any room
We'll have
that we need here, so we still need another inch.
the dryer thing on the front out here.
The dryer thingy?
Yeah.
For the air conditioning?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, we can put that in front. Yeah, it's closer, but we gotta
It's
come
getting
a little
closer,
bit,
but it's
a
not
little
there.
bit more.
We still gotta get some more.
Good. Good, we got it. Couple more cranks. I'm liking the way it's centered up in there.
Okay. I still have to trim a little bit more. See, it's really close to that head over there, that
Yeah.
bolt. That's a bolt just sticking out there, isn't it? Okay, shoot it. Don't even need that bolt. So yeah, that's probably about right.
Okay, so we have a plan.
Yeah.
Cool.
This would be,
So everything can't be smooth, but you got another problem here.
yeah, the pipe would come straight out into that.
So we need some clearance here.
Yeah.
So I need to
Well.
come up with some block huggers.
Yeah. Either that or we can
Yeah, we can
kind
cut
of round
that
this
down.
off. You
I
know.
mean, we've done that on a Hemi or two.
Yeah, we have. Putting a big block in these little fellas.
Yeah. Okay. We're going with the freehand. I'll get us a set of headers so we
Something
know.
like that, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Because your pipe would be right here.
solve one problem, and what happens? It leads to your next problem. So,
He's rolling downhill.
yeah, but it's all good.
Yeah.
So when you're building a car, think 2-3 steps ahead.
Yeah.
That's just kind of the way it is. Keep it balanced, yeah. Even though it don't need as much on that side.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's something about continuity.
It's played way back here.
Yeah.
You see the forward heads are offset on the where the exhaust is.
Yep. Like I said, leave you alone for the better part of a day and you start building cars. So on the back side of this, you bolted that in, which is not bad, but it's not the way we do it, which will work. But we're going to put wood in the back side around the door frame there, and the back side around the door frame here. Even though it has a metal framework, it still gets wood. And, those hinges are bolted in with a nut and a bolt. We generally screw them in with a screw, so we can do that either way, but getting that done. So in our door, this is the inner skin to the back of the sedan. We bond a piece of wood into here, so the screws will actually bond into the wood, or the screws will go into the wood that's been bonded into the door. So that's what's happening in the body shop, and DIY is done. I ain't doing it myself. You're doing it yourself. So, getting her done.
Getting her done.
I guess part of the deal with being a foreman, you got to kind of know what's going on and what the work is. So we have purchase orders for everything going on. There's lots of them. These are all different departments. These are different cars. Some of them are the same car going to different things. So I'm finally to a point where we've got purchase orders for everything that gets built in-house here. I'm getting it. I'm reorganizing my board over here so I can come in here and look at it and see what we got, so it means something. So I know it's not very educational for you, but for us to build hot rods, the way we build hot rods, you got to kind of know what's going on. There's more to it than just, I hadn't used this office. I got me a little office, but I'm going to move into the big office here now. And I get things going. What it comes down to is when I'm sitting in that other office, I should know what's going on. Not in this building, or this room of this building, or the back room over there of this building, or the room behind the back room of that room over there is this building, or the other building up where the glass shop is, or up at Trinity where the turnkeys are, or behind that door where the upholstery is. So I gotta have order. So it takes order to put spirit in order to get everybody's cars done, which we're working on. I've been having a good time. Every department has its own challenges, whether you build it in the chassis department, you've got plenty of cars going on here, or you build it in the body shop. So over here with plenty of cars going on. Or if we have to mock it up just because it's a little bit different. So I guess finally for today's DIY 40-day challenge video, we got to more than just build it. We got to get it shipped and out. So it's the shipping room. Fixing to put stuff on pallets and put it and line it up and do. We got our shipping department over in the other building, but we're going to lay out kits. So if you've been following me on the 40-day DIY challenge, you've been watching me not just build hot rod cars, but come back and rebuild the company. It's pretty exciting. We talked to Timmy today with his Insanity big block blown Ford, and man, when I was a kid, if I could just build one of those, we're building dreams. Every one of these I'd have been content with, but now every day I get to build awesome cars, and not just average awesome cars. We're talking over the top awesome cars. So it's a fun job, but there's more to it than just building an individual car. It's got to have a company behind it that can support all the different departments. So as you've been watching this 40-day challenge, I appreciate you tuning into that. I'm going to start doing more series like the Insanity series. We'll do the Midas Touch series. We got Joe's finishing it up. Once we get on that, Eddie and I will be doing that. We got the Mean Green Machine. There's still about 6 or 8 turnkeys here that need to be finished. Jim's car, the blown big block, the blown small block T-bucket. So there's several cars that we're going to be doing, and I'll try to do those in a series so that you can watch it. Give me some comments about what you'd like to see. Once we get things a little more organized around here, I think I'm going to step up my game on the video, see if I can't find a person to work in the office that has editing capabilities, rather than me just using my phone, being out of focus half the time, and running out of storage space on my phone half the time, and doing my self-editing. We get somebody a little more professional. But give us your ideas. What would you like to see? And I'd like to make it worth watching. If we're gonna, no sense doing it if nobody thinks it's worth watching. So that's it for today. DIY day 15. Can't wait till tomorrow.